we're very excited to show you a new feature that we incorporated into the My Decorative Quilter software. And if you're a current user of the Floriani Total Control software, you will be familiar with the design library. If you're new to Floriani software and you just own the My Decorative Quilter, you won't know what this feature is quite yet, but let me go ahead and show you. The design library is a really helpful tool. You can see down here on the right hand side underneath your sequence view, you have this tab called Design Library. And so in this bottom right hand corner, I'm going to click on the Design Library tab, and what it is going to do is it's going to bring up the Design Library. And these are designs, these are folders that allow you to store designs, and you're able to access them by just kind of scrolling through the folders, finding the ones you want, left mouse clicking and dragging them directly onto the screen. So you can see, like, this is a design that I had on my computer, so I was able to access it. Let me go to a File New page. You can see, let's say I wanted to bring in this bubbles design. I can left mouse click and drag it right onto my work page, and it brings it up at size. So you can see the design library is a really neat feature. It allows you to see a thumbnail of the design so that you can make sure that you're selecting the correct one. And again, these are all designs that are located on your computer in a specific location. So a couple other things that I want to show you with it, or you can add your own folders, make new folders. If you had a design open and you want to save that, you could do that to a new folder. But let's go ahead and I'll show you that when you're in the design library, if you right mouse click, you'll see that you get the option to create a new folder, to rename a folder, to delete a folder, show contents, refresh, and add designs. So let's go ahead and let's just check out a couple of the options. I'm going to come back down here and I'm going to go to my folder, my MDQ, and I'm just going to select that MDQ one right there. I'm going to right mouse click and then I'm going to say show contents. And when I do this, it's going to open up my window explorer right to the folder where these are saved to. So you can see that it's on your C drive, a Floriani folder, designs, and My Decorative Quilter, because that's the tab I selected. Then you're able to see all the designs that are in there. The nice thing about being able to view the contents is you can see that you're able to see everything that's in here. Even if you had images, the design library itself is only going to show embroidery designs. So you can have more content in these folders. It just is only going to show you actual embroidery designs. Other things, let's say that I wanted to come down here, this one that says new fonts, I'm going to right mouse click on it. You won't have this folder on your computer. This is ones that I've created myself. So don't let that confuse you. But let's say I want to rename it. So I'm going to choose rename. And now I can change it to additional fonts maybe. And then when I left click outside of it, you can see that it changes. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to rename this. I'm going to say new fonts. So you can see that you can rename them. I could delete the folder if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I can add designs to it. By clicking add design, I can go to anywhere on my computer that has designs, and I could select it and hit open, and it'll load it into that folder. So it's a very handy little feature. And so just wanted to show you the design library. Again, I want to show you where these are located. So what you need to do is open up your Windows Explorer, which you could do that from just hitting this open button. You'll find that it's going to be located on your C drive. On your C drive there is a Floriani folder. and inside of there you have a designs folder. So everything that is inside of your designs folder, which is the C drive Floriani Designs, will be available inside of the design library, and that's the only location that you have to save it into, this designs folder. Another thing is, inside of the designs folder is where all your folders that contain the designs are. Everything has to be inside of a folder in here. So you can see that I can kind of come through here, that My Decorative Quilter. You see that I have some folders in here, and then I have designs. So everything needs to be in that location. Again, that's the C drive, Floriani folder, designs folder, and then inside of here is where it's pulling the information from. So I hope that you love working with the design library, and I think you'll find this very useful. It makes it quick and easy to find a design that you're looking for and dropping it right onto the screen so that you can work with it. So I hope that you enjoy it. Thanks.